Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Accord that generation from year 2008 to year 2012. If you guys have one of those and you need to find where the fuel pump relay is located, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today, where you can expect to find that relay, where you can buy cheap relays and fuses, that way you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test relay and fuses. All that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that Honda Accord, that generation from year 2008 to 12, we'll be making video for every fuse, every relay. Why we do that, guys? To save you time and money. Because in the manual, it's not clear what the fuses are for. On those little bitty labels, you have abbreviations that you have no idea what it means. And let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, or you need to find a cigarette lighter fuse because you cannot charge your phone and your navigation doesn't work. Stay with us, guys, and we're going to share videos on that channel for every single fuse and relay. Another thing, every single car, guys, that we get at our garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. The mechanical videos will be on our main YouTube channels right there, guys. Altogether, we have about 1.2 million subscribers. We have helped over 1 million people save thousands of dollars. And let me show you something else, guys. If you need to buy relays, fuses at a really good price, guys, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. That way you don't waste time and money, guys, because some of those could be really expensive. You have those special fuses that are specific Honda fuses that could be really expensive, hard to find, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can find the fuses, relays, that way you don't waste your money. So the fuel pump relay, guys, you have multiple relays that we'll need to check. That specifically it's a 2010 Honda Accord. You have 3 different fuse boxes. Today we'll be working in 2 of them. And the first fuse box that we'll need to check is actually on the inside, on the driver's side, under the dash. Look all the way upside down above the pedals on the left side there, guys. Look there and you will see a fuse box that looks just like this one. That's the layout right here. Now, before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here, guys, we will need to check one relay in that fuse box, then we need to go to a different fuse box. You will have only 3 relays here. This is relay 1, 2 and 3. The relay that we need to check is relay number 1, that blue relay. Often the fuel pump relay and the fuel injection system relay will be with blue cover. Next, you go under the hood. This is the main fuse box here. Open that cover and you will see that fuse box layout that we have right here specifically, guys. Which relay we need to check here, okay? If you start right there, 1, 2, 3, we'll need to check relay number 3 and relay number 4. Okay, let's zoom out a little bit so we can see where it is. Relay number 3, relay number 4. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.